How to buy on Aliexpress. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to buy on Aliexpress, doing the whole process here on computer. And folks, it's really simple. So let's go. First, you need to log into your account, and if you don't have one yet, folks, you can click on register up here. Click on this option and click register. Here, you'll choose a registration option, enter your email or phone number, or register using your Gmail, Facebook, X, or Apple account. The registration process is very straightforward, folks. After logging into your account, you can check out the daily deals down here. There are combo offers, super deals, products you might like, or you can click here on the search bar and type what you want. Then click on this magnifying glass. So I've already chosen my product here, folks. Generally, when you choose a product with multiple specifications, which is the case here, you need to know which specification is yours. For this acrylic monitor stand, it comes in various sizes, so you need to know which size you need. My size, folks, is 21.5. So the price has increased here. I can pay in installments of $47.89 in 4 interest-free payments. Here on the side, you can check shipping, expected delivery date. Here's the refund policy if you need it, security. You can also adjust the quantity here. Then, folks, just click on buy if purchasing one item, or add to cart if you want to buy more things on Aliexpress. I'm just buying this product. I'll just click on buy here. Here you'll choose a payment method if you have cards registered. If you don't have any yet, folks, add a new card by clicking below and you'll see the summary, discount coupon if available, shipping, import tax, ICMS, and the total cost. Then just click on confirm purchase. Got it, folks? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. That's all for now. Big hug. God bless. Thanks.